Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the ninth experiment of your CGV lab, that is we need to write a program to fill the polygon using a scanline algorithm. Now this algorithm fills the region of a polygon by determining the intersection points of a line on boundaries, means it is going to scan the y-axis lines one by one and it is going to note down the intersection points in pairs. Now the points or the pixels which comes in between these two intersection points are going to be colored with a particular color and those are going to be filled. This is how this algorithm works. Now already we have discussed this algorithm in second module. Now we'll see and program how to implement this. Now here we are going to consider a rectangle as a polygon which is declared with 4 vertices x1 y1 x2 y2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4. Then we have a function called draw pixel which is used to draw a pixel with a particular color. Now here we have set the color as 110, means the pixels are going to be filled with the color yellow, means whatever the pixels which are comes inside the polygon are going to be filled with yellow color. Now we'll see the display function. Now here we have assigning some values for the vertices of a particular rectangle. x1 y1 as 200, x2 y2 100 300, x3 y3 200 400, x4 y4 300 300. Now we are going to draw this polygon by using gl underscore line underscore loop, where we need to specify 4 different vertices. Now the 4 vertices are x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4. Now after specifying these 4 vertices, next we are going to call this scanline fill algorithm with these 8 parameters. 8 parameters are x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4. Now for every y line it is going to scan the complete y line and it is going to find out the intersection points where it is intersecting the boundaries of that particular polygon. When it finds the intersection points, now the pixels which comes in between those two intersection points are going to be filled. Like this, it is going to scan from the first y line to the last y line, so that the complete polygon is going to be filled. Now in this main function we have created a window with a size 500, its position is 0 0 and the window title is filling a polygon using scanline algorithm, and this glut display function we have made it as a display function. Then glut main loop to display this particular window onto the screen. Now you save this file with a .c extension and compile and run it. Now we'll see how to compile this file and what output we are going to get. Now this is a terminal where I have typed a command for compilation, that is gcc expt9.c minus gl minus l glut minus l glu minus lm. Now after compiling this, let this compile. Okay, now it is successfully compiled. Next we need to run it. Now for running I am going to use ./a.out and press enter. Now you can see here you have set the background of a window to white and you have drawn on polygon and it is completely filled with a yellow color because the fill color you have selected as 110, which is nothing but a yellow color. RGB, red is 1 and green is 1, means the fill color will be yellow, and the polygon is completely filled, means the pixels which comes inside the polygon are filled with the yellow color. This is how this polygon fill algorithm works. General scanline polygon fill algorithm works. Once again you see it, compile it using this particular command. No errors. Run it by using /a.out. Now this is the output. Now you can see the boundaries are also very sharp. Thank you.